Yeah, I'm pretty psyched. No, not really, no. Yeah, honestly, I haven't said anything. So basically, the reason that I'm washing it and taking the wheels off, putting these Johnnies on, is because the Stagia is actually getting traded today. 99% sure it's gonna happen. But you know, there's that little thought in the back of my mind that thinks, maybe he won't show up. maybe I won't get my car. I'm trading it for a car that I have wanted for a very, very long time. Not necessarily this specific model of it, but you know, I'm willing to work with it. And unfortunately, it is NA Auto. We already have plans to turbocharge it. The Stagia it's a really cool car, but it doesn't feel like it's for me. I don't get any fulfillment out of it. It's just, yeah. Someone's obviously spent a lot of time putting work into this car, and I just don't feel like I appreciate it enough yeah, I just don't want it. You know, I don't appreciate it as much as someone that owns it should appreciate it. Sorry, Bryson, I know you wanted to see it go to someone you knew, but car is coming pretty soon here, so I'm gonna swap the wheels, take the roof rack off. Other than that, it should be pretty good. You guys really didn't, this is probably the second video of this car on this channel, honestly. Like, first one was when I got it, second one was when we sold it, but either way, I felt like making a video today, so we're gonna see this thing go by, and hopefully we'll get another member of the fleet today. This car has a curse. Okay, you can find pictures of this thing on the internet back from like 2007 or like 2011 maybe, I don't know, long ass time ago, and it still has these exact wheels on it. But literally, man, these wheels have been on there for so long, and like, they don't look good. Do they look good, Devin?
They don't look horrible.
They don't look too bad.
Let's
they don't look horrible.
Let's let the comment section be the judge.
They don't fit with the car.
It's like they were made in like the fucking early 90s or something.
Yeah, they definitely were. I think there's broken English on them too, so that's how you know they're authentic. No, it just says Roust. I feel like there's so many wheel brands we've never heard of in Japan.
Yeah.
I like this car, I just don't love it. That's the only reason.
Back windows are cool. The back windows go down like this.
Yeah, they like tilt. Same as the R32 sedan apparently.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I've always wanted a 32, so pretty excited to try something new. Again, if you guys have never traded cars, I recommend it. It's a lot of fun. Wow. Not bad though. I'm done trying to sell it, ready to move on to something new. Especially right before summer. Can you stop fisting my car, bro? Yo, you're gonna pull it out and the whole fender's gonna crack.
Fuck. The fender comes with it.
The paint is really nice, it just needs to be redone in a few places. And I think that's another like big deterrent, is people don't want to match a custom color like this. The bumper cracked when we were coming back from Justice Road rallies.
New car?
The chassis is pretty clean. You don't see too many of these around in this condition, and especially in this color, which I'm pretty stoked about. Always wanted a 32, not necessarily a sedan. Yo, I think the 240's got it, man. 240 has definitely got it. Yeah, unfortunately it's 4-lug as well, so I don't know, the conversion is coming, but in the meantime I'm just gonna get adapter spacers and then run the NK NT03 wheels on this. So I'm thinking of getting these powder coated silver. Right now they're black, but the powder coats actually started to chip on the corners. So pretty unfortunate. These are not in very good condition. They will definitely need to be refinished before they go on the R32. But I don't know, even already, like there's more things that I want to do to this car than I ever wanted to do to the Stagea. We have a few things planned today. I'm going to be chopping the hood and hopefully building a new grille to make it look more like a GTR. It's going to be an infamous front end though. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is build the grille, because if I can't do that, then there's no point cutting the hood.
So you're planning on cutting this completely off?
It'll be right below this line. It's like right there.
Holy shit.
Straight across. I was looking at photos all night.
So
dude.
like right above the...
Yeah, pretty much
emblem.
right above the emblem. And then there's two things you can do. You can either cut slits into it and fold it, so that way you get the rounded edge, which is nice.
Nice.
But then you have to weld it back together. It only has 101,000 kilometers. And also came with this 10-year anniversary NRG hub and quick release. But I don't really like the length of it. I think I'm gonna put this in the 240. Same with the wheel. I wanna replace the wheel eventually, because you're not gonna be doing much drifting with that. And the lack of turbo. Slowest car I've ever owned. But that's all right.
Pop the hood.
I got the Supra, I don't care. You guys gotta use your imagination for this one. Dude, that's pretty sick. Infamous grille. Dude, it looks way more aggressive. I'm actually really stoked with that. So it's just taped in right now, but I've rounded the edges of both of these, and then I'm gonna be painting them flat black. It looks good though, hey? Like, you can definitely tell that when the hood is cut, it's gonna line up pretty good. I just hope that they don't flex too much. Yeah, true, this one's pretty weak. Maybe I'll have to build like a bracket. Definitely looks like it's sagging right here. Like that looks better. So we managed to sell our first set of R33 wing extensions. Pretty exciting, as this will be the second set to be running these. So they're designed for BN R33, which is GTR wing. What it does is it lifts the center of the blade to be level with the roof line. And then as you can see, they're heat molded. It actually comes up out of the stand and then out and over, so that they're not bowed or anything like that when you put your wing in there.
Sure, it's still. Oh, it's dead. What the fuck? Skyline things, man. It felt like it had power and then it lost it. Maybe the negative terminal's not tight. Oh, yeah. See? See?
Jesus. Tighten that down there, bud. Sounds healthy AF.
Yeah. Your sound system is not terrible, too.
Yeah?
Not bad.
Yeah. He put some tape on there to
I actually like that.
mimic. That sky is so black.
There's a storm coming.
Alright, put the PPE on, bro.
Is it too high? Here's the final product. Actually turned out sick. I'm really stoked on this. It's a little bit wavy still. Looking sick too. Fuck. Get out of my shop, bro! Yeah, I definitely cut the hood too high there, but that's okay. That GTR lip piece will cover it. Should have that pretty soon here. But in the meantime, it's well deserving of a work in progress sticker. Focus. Hey. He is right. Look at that. I just added this little license plate delete. I made this for a guy named Cam, but I'm borrowing it until he comes to pick it up. Damn, dude, I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna go to the car wash now. I also took off the quick release, because I don't really like quick releases. I feel like it brings the wheel way too far forward, and this is a lot more comfortable and a lot more solid to drive. God damn, if this thing was manual swapped, oh my god. Weld the diff, it'd be so fun. That's kind of the future plans for it. I want to slide this thing for sure. But in the meantime, it's going to be a sick daily, and I'm already really happy with it, especially the way it's looking.
All right, now it's time to wash the 32. First wash.
Ooh.